Hello everyone, this is exercise 9.1, question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Let us see the figure. Here, if you see EZ is the height of the building, 30 meter. See here, this one is the height of the building. 1.5 meter tall boy, so dy, this one is the height of a boy. When from this position his eyes are here, from here he looks at the top of the building, then angle of elevation becomes 30 degree, and it is always with the horizontal line. That's the reason we have drawn this horizontal line at this place. As he walks towards the building, that means this distance, as he walks towards the building, and then once again he looks at the top of the building here, then the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. They are asking us to find out the distance he walked towards the building. It means that we need to find out this distance. Okay, this distance and this distance is same. Why? Because both the lines are parallel to each other. Let us see then how to find out this distance. First, we need to find out length of AB. So to get AB, I'll write it down here. AB, which is equal to 30 meter, which is the height of the building, minus 1.5 meter, which is height of the boy, which comes as 28.5 meter. First, I will take triangle ABD. In this triangle, I'll take tan 30 degree, which is equal to AB by BD. Here BD. Tan 30 degree we know 1 upon root 3, which is equal to AB is 28.5 and BD as it is. Okay. We'll do the cross multiplication here. So BD, which is equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. Now let us take the triangle ABC. In this one we will take tan 60 degree. So here tan 60 degree, which is equal to AB by BC. We know tan 60 is root 3. Length of AB is 28.5. Length of BC we don't know, so we'll write it down BC as it is. Therefore, BC, which is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator. To do it, we'll multiply and divide the number with root 3. See, this root 3 and this root 3 will become root 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So here I'll write down 28.5 root 3 divided by 3. So 3 ones are, 3 nines are, 1 is remaining, 3 5s are. So the length of BC comes as, therefore BC, which is equal to 9.5 root 3 meter. Correct? We need to find out what? CD or XY. See once again in the figure. We need to find out this distance. Correct? So to get this distance, I can say from BD, if we remove this BC, who is left now? CD. And CD is nothing but XY. So what I will do? To get CD, BD minus BC. Here I will note it down. Now, CD, which is equal to BD minus BC. We'll substitute the values here. So BD is 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, which comes as 19 root 3 meter. Correct? That is, here I'll note it down, that is XY, which is equal to CD, which is equal to 19 root 3 meter. And then finally you will write down the final statement as the boy walked 19 root 3 meter distance towards the building. I hope all of you understood this sum. Thank you.